Sasol Enterprise and Supplier Development held a 3-day masterclass at Emperor's Palace that focused on the fourth industrial revolution's impact on engineering and IT. Targeted at SMMEs, the masterclass hosted several expert speakers that showcased the latest innovations and looked at how the 4IR is likely to disrupt these industries. Altron's CEO and author of Betting on a Darkie, Mteto Nyati, set the tone of the masterclass in his keynote address on personal mastery. Nyathi discussed the importance of continual learning and self-development as vital tools towards achieving business success.
When you look at everything else, you are the leaders of your business. You created your own businesses. And if you are not unable to manage yourself, it's going to be very difficult for you to manage your company. It's going to be difficult for you to engage and manage Sasol as one of your potential clients, and etc., etc. So the first area where we need to invest our time as entrepreneurs or as anybody else, as business people, we need to invest in ourselves. Because if you have that right, it's the foundation for everything else. So I've chosen to focus on ourselves, us as a people. And how do we make sure that we invest in the right areas, make the right choices so that our lives could be better lives?
Continuing on the theme of self-development and introspection, Mteto also talked about how critical self-discipline and boundaries are in business.
Think about this thing. Here, I've got this person I've been with, his wife, and everybody were together, every weekend. And now on Monday, this person is not delivering. This person is not delivering. How do I address this? Will I ever be able to address this thing? This is our big problem as a country, because we put the people around us, these are our friends, these are our family members, this is everybody. Now, when things are not happening, we are unable to hold people accountable. It happens in our businesses, it happens in municipalities, it happens everywhere. It starts with this lack of discipline, of making sure that you hire the best people and you hold those people accountable. The only thing that they must compete for is not for their relationship with you, they must compete around how well are they doing their jobs. That's it.
Knowing the history of our country, I just want to know, in terms of your journey, what you're taking Altron through, what are the things that the entrepreneurs that are sitting here, can actually learn and can actually need to watch out for if they're wanting to be doing business with big companies, but also for themselves as well, in terms of growing their own business in the climate that we find ourselves in South Africa and based on our history as well?
Okay. Wow, that's a big question. I would say the first thing, when I look at a number of small companies, relatively small companies that are approaching us, wanting to do business with Altron or Microsoft or IBM, many of them, I'm now talking black businesses, they will say, we are 100% female-owned BEE level 1 company, right? And leading with that. Or 100% black-owned company leading with that, and then go on around the BEE part. That's important, BEE. But how does it help solve my problems as a company now? What is your value proposition? That's my question. What is it that you do? What do you live for? You don't live for BEE. What problem are you trying to solve as a company? That is what you need to be telling me. Or telling the world, telling everybody that is out there. What is your value What is it, if you are not around, what is it that the world will miss if your company is not around? Meaning, what is the problem that you're solving? You're not solving the BEE thing. Think about how many companies can say exactly the same thing as you. You can't differentiate yourself by saying, I'm 100% BEE. I'm 20, 200, 100 more other companies can say exactly the same thing.